Hello everyone. Today I will explain what is a trend line and how to draw trend lines properly. Trend line is one of the most important tool in trading, and today I will show you how to draw it correctly and how to trade it. So let's get started. Trend line is a tool which we use to connect highs and lows of the market. That is the definition of the trend line. And for quality trend line, you will need to find at least two minimum swing points and simply connect them with each other. There must be clear swing points. Don't try to force a trend line. If you draw it from the body of the candle, then connect with the body too. It means the body of the second candle on the second or third touch. Okay. If you draw it from the wick of the candle, then connect it with the wick of the other candle too. So these are the simple points. I recommend you take screenshot of these points or you note it down with yourself. The other points are as given. Okay. We will enter a trade on the third touch, and that too when there appears a pin bar. I hope you understand what is a pin bar as I discussed in the previous video. Okay, so hammer is a pin bar and shooting star is also called as a pin bar. Okay, dojis and engulfing candlesticks on the third touch too. So when pin bar, doji and engulfing candlesticks appear on the third touch of the trend line, only then we will trade it. Okay, the more a trend line gets hit, the more it is likely to break. And the last one is we can still trade the trend line even if it gets broken, and that is on the retest. First I will show you the illustration and then I will take you to the charts to show you how to draw it and how to trade it properly. So this is the simple illustration. Let me show you. Okay, this is the first touch from where I am drawing the trend line. I connected with the second touch, you can see, and on the third touch the market went above the highs. That's how we draw it in the uptrend. And let me show you how to draw it in the downtrends. Connect, draw it from the first touch, connect it with the second, and take entry on the third touch. And that too only when there appears a doji, engulfing candlesticks and pen bars. Let me take you to the charts. Show it on IoT. Okay, this is the sign here for trend line. You can see it written is draw trend line. So let's say this is a proper one. First touch, second touch, and I will draw it here. You can see on the third touch we are having a doji. You can call it a doji. Yeah. So in H1 we can see it is a doji, or it is also we can also call it a pen bar. Its wick is longer than the body and it's almost 3 times of the body, so it is called as hammer. And then you can see how the market went upside to this point. Okay, I will show it here on That was example of an uptrend. Let me show it here. This one is the first touch, this one is the second touch, and this one is third one. This is just exemplary to show you how to draw it. And let's see if I can find another entry on this. Yeah, that's perfect almost. You can see a little manipulation is okay, as we can see here the wick, so that doesn't matter. Nothing is perfect, a little above or below is okay. Let me remove it. Okay. So it is the third touch on, it is the third touch, and here appeared a hammer. Okay. So we can see how the marquee moved from this point on the third touch, and that too when the hammer appeared. Market went beyond the highs. Let's see if we can find another one. Okay, as I said that we will only trade it on the third touch. I draw the trend line. We will wait for the market to come here for the third touch, and we will not enter the trade directly when it reach to the trend line. We will wait for the catalyst. We will wait for the candlestick to see if it gives us a doji candlestick, a pin bar, or an engulfing candlestick. Only then we will take entry from this point. If it gets hits here, that's only we will trade it. Okay. The reason I said we will wait for the third touch for the catalyst for candlesticks, and that is for confirmation, because you can see here we connect two touches, first one and second one, but on the third touch it got broken. So it is important to wait for the third touch and wait for a catalyst, a candlestick that will turn the market from the on the third touch. So there are lots of examples. Let me see if I can find any example of the downtrend. Let me see another. Let's try this and see if it gives us. Okay, it touched the trend line on the third touch and turned downward, but here we can't. Here it is an engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle on M30 time frame, so we can take sell entry here, and it almost gave us 90 pips. So that's it guys, I hope it is clear, And if anyone has any question, you can ask in the comment section, and see you in the next video.